Hello, hi, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the live chat dashboard in Odoo 19. So let's move on to the dashboard. So as we just move on to the dashboard, we can find the dashboard for live chat, which is a new feature in Odoo 19. And the dashboard of live chat is just placed under the website module. So here you can see that we can see the live chat, and upon moving on here, you can also find the session duration, the time to respond, message per sessions, and everything. And if you want to set this dashboard as favorite, you can just enable this uh, star button. And if you want to share this, you can also share that. And here we have the option of searching, and this would allow you to search with a global filter, which is also another new feature. And we have already discussed about what is global filter in Odoo 19. So if you don't know what is global filter, you can just watch that video. And here you can set the period on which you want to apply the global filter. And we have more options to apply the filter over here. So upon clicking on add filter, you can just get the global filter based on agents, countries, language, channels, and experts and all. Now, if you want to just yeah uh, when you just drag down here, you can see that you can find session by agent and top agents with their name, session duration, time to response, and message per sessions, and rating. Here you can also see the sessions with calls, sessions with calls since last period, and everything, like the percentage duration as well as the call duration also. This also shows call by agent with the all other details, and handled by boards, handled by agents, escalated, and not answered. Now you can also see the sessions by days and everything. So it is pretty easy to get the analytics of the live chat in Odoo 19, with the countries that involved in the live chat, with the language that were involved, as well as the top expertises and top chatbot answers. Everything will be shown over here. Okay. Now, you can also just go to the live chat ongoing, and under the live chat ongoing, this shows the session by minute, session by agent. Then, yeah, rest of the details as that of the live chat itself, like top agent, top countries, top language, top expertises, and expertise, and top chat board answers over here. So, actually, this is the new feature in Odoo 19. And once the Odoo 19 is released, and if you want to add more features into your live chat or into the dashboard of live chat, you can just customize it with the help of Cybrosys. So I hope this clarifies what's the live chat dashboard in Odoo 19. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome, and thank you for watching the video.